what's happening, babies? With no time to spare and trying out to beat a record to film as many cars as I ever have, because last year when I was here and then 4 years ago prior to COVID, I filmed about 45 cars each time. So maybe I could film 50 this time. I got the two phones, I got the charger for the cell phone, and I had a feeling that this might be, I might be wrong, but I think this is the Canadian model of a Monaco because it's a custom 880. And I actually had to wonder if maybe I filmed it or not, so I'm not gonna have time to check that jazz on the phone. I always like the front end design. Now, funny thing about these cars, I've had too much coffee, by the way. The 59 Dodge Custom Royal over there, there's a lot of these cars, believe it or not. They're pretty damn common. People knew how cool they were back then, how special they were with all the chrome, two-tone paint, rocket design. They're well preserved, but this, you're not gonna find too many of these babies, let me tell you right now. There's your crest right there, custom 880. I love the hubcaps here. Wow, this car is so original. Look at that. It still has the bias ply tires on it, I think. Original, correct original tires. Even headlights might be as well original, I'm not sure. I was telling my father, look at that Beetle coming by there, like Herbie. These were called the Frat Zog. It's always much easier to film with my actually real camera than my stupid phone. I say stupid because it's annoying to hold that a long time. It's just a flat rectangle, you know. See, I believe that. Look at that, $34,000. Yeah, I totally believe that. And last year when I was here, I filmed another Polaris 65 four-door hardtop. So again, 65 full-size Dodges, there's not that many of them. There's tons of you know, Dodge Chargers and stuff like that, Coronets, but no, not these cars. Nobody really kept them because they yanked the motors out, 383s and all that, and put them in. This is the thing that always tripped me out about these cars, is these pod-like speedometer, these gauges. It's like eyes looking at you. I mean, what a trip. What a trip that is. You know, and this was right after the Virgil Exner years, after 63, so not as exciting as earlier, but still a good-looking automobile. Single exhaust engine. Oh, I'm gonna say the engine is probably a 361. That would have been a typical fare for these types of cars. You know, like a Chrysler Windsor in Canada as well. Look at that, that's really neat. And I am just happy the weather is just fine like that, because sun is nice. Things look great in the sun, but it just gets so goddamn hot too, you know. It's not very pleasant. Look at that, man. I love that dashboard in those years. The funny thing is, I think it was 66 a year after. It was the same body, but the dash was like the instrument cluster, the speedometer, all that. I didn't like it. It didn't look nice. And to me, the cluster, actually, it was just like the instrument cluster on a 79 Mercury I filmed last year, which is right there. I can't believe it's right there. I'm thinking of the same. No, wait a minute. I'm not. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I got the disconcentrated. Oh my God, there's a torn out of there. Okay, we're gonna wrap this up quick. Sorry, mister. Fender skirts, nice touch. Thanks for watching. Merci de regarder.